We are here at Lakanat Nakambini na Laguna Press Lodge. Kasama natin ang mga Morena group ng Laguna. Yes. Aside from being a Morena, what do you think is the real traits of a Filipina that we're gonna be bringing to the national stage?
I think it's being witty because we tend to think a lot of things and jokes that entertain a lot of people. Yeah, as in being witty, you know.
Yeah, and you, sa contest na ito, what do you think is your weakness and what ang gagamitin para maging strength mo?
Oh, that is actually a very wonderful question. Some of you may not know, I am Franchelle Lazareno. I am one of the youngest candidates. I am only 18 years old. And that is one of the weaknesses because, of course, I am still fresh and new in this world of pageantry. But I do believe I can make this as a strength because I am a fresh face and I do not compete from fear. I compete from purpose. And I want to bring new ideas, you know, new cultures to bring. And of course, as a representative of the youth here in this generation, as an ambassador of our city of San Pablo.
There are a lot of pageants we have here in the Philippines, and there are a lot of critics saying that let's stop beauty pageants and concentrate on education and sports. What is your opinion about that?
For me, I would say that pageantry is a huge part of my self-growth. And I think that pageantry isn't just about showing our beautiful places. It's also about standing up in front of a lot of people and also showing them and telling them your story so that you can inspire them. And
Laki ng 250,000 pesos ha, napakalaking amount. And that's a lot. If ever makuha mo ang 250,000 pesos, some 10% ba nito ipapunta sa akin? Saan mo ito gagamitin?
Is gagamitin ko po yon for a business for us to continue and grow. Dahil po, para po sa akin, once na nagkaroon po kami ng business, makakapag-invest kami. And yun po yung gagawin ko sa mapapanalunan ko, if ever. And that will be such a huge part of me.
Yan ang katanungan muna, ano ang ibig sabihin ng tunay na lakambini ng Laguna?
So someone who embodies the stories of resilience, someone who is unstoppable and fearless. It is important for us to understand that we should not listen to the white noise and for us to pursue our goals when it comes to our dreams, may it be pageantry or getting a degree. Being a lakambini is someone who isn't afraid of pursuing her dreams and goals in life despite of how many challenges she may overcome.